and good day everyone, and welcome to Learn English with Blaine. And this is your weekly check-in for February 8th, 2026. So this is for that week. And this is something, everyone, that I want to start doing every week, just so that I could connect with you, my subscribers, and my learners, because I really do appreciate each and every one of you. So I just want to spend a few minutes with you just to tell you a few things about what I've been learning this week. One thing I have learned this week is to try to work ahead. I think when we calm down and then when we write down on a to-do list what we need to do that week and trying to work ahead, I think is a really good idea. So that's one thing I've been working on this week, is trying to work ahead. So one thing I've done this week is I've been working on my something new that we're doing at Learn English with Blaine is idioms. So every day this week, from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you are going to find a new idiom that's going to be connected to a lesson on the website. So every day beginning February the 9th, Monday, February 9th, you're going to find a new idiom video. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, so that's one thing that I've been working on this week. And also for you guys, we're going to have dictation videos every day, also between Monday and Thursday. So I've been working on those two things. And I hope that you enjoy them. Once you looked at the videos, let me know what you think. Never be afraid to leave a comment. I really do appreciate each and every one of those. Now, I want to talk to you about a teacher tip for you guys. One thing I think is really important is, if you want to improve your English skills, is to do a lot of reading. Find a book that is just a little bit more than your level. Find a book that's a little bit higher than your level. And when you are reading, underline the new words and then write those words down. Check the meaning of the words in a dictionary, and then try to use those words in your everyday speech. So everyone, my tip is to do a lot of reading. I think reading is really important. I think it's a great way to learn grammar and also to learn new vocabulary as well. So that's our tip and weekly check-in for February the 8th. And I want to thank all of you for your help, for your participation. I am almost at 5,000 subscribers. I think that at some point this week, I will reach 5,000 subscribers. So I want to thank each and every one of you for that. I really, really do appreciate each and every one of you. And the other point I have, oh yes, if you are looking for a community, please join us on Facebook. We would very much love to have you with us. So I will leave that link in the description box of this video. And if you want to join us on Facebook, do that. We would be more than happy to welcome you. But anyways, thank you so much, everyone. I hope you all have a wonderful week. And I'll see you next Sunday for another weekly check-in. Take care, everyone. So nice to see you today. Have a great day, you guys. Bye-bye.